Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn how to draw a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the large animal who loves to live in water and who loves swimming and enjoying, and yes, it looks like a lazy animal and it is kind of sleepy though. With the help of square, triangle and circle, we will draw here different shapes, birds. Yes, with the help of different shapes, we are drawing here different birds. Now we'll draw the face of a baby prince, or we can say a prince. Now here we have drawn circle, hairs and ears, and it is completed. Now with the help of 4 circles, we'll draw 4 aquatic animals. You know what is aquatic animal called? Any animal which is living under the water. So here we have drawn here a fish, crab and a tortoise. Then we'll go for a snail. Yes, it is completed. Now we'll learn different types of trees. Drawing a single tree in every scenery is quite boring. So here I am here to make you learn how to draw different types of trees, so you can draw these different types of trees in your drawing book or in any scenery you want. Now we'll go for a bunny holding a carrot. Rabbit babies are called bunny. So here are the very easy steps that you can draw a bunny, and it is completed. Now we'll go for a cat who is wearing a crown. Yes, it might be a prince cat, right? So here, these are the very easy steps. We have drawn here a kitty, or you can say a cat who is wearing a very beautiful crown. Now in this video we will learn how to draw a cows. So we are going here to draw horns, ears and a very big body. So here it is completed. Now we will learn how to draw a horse. There is a fun fact about horses, that horses never sleeps, like horses always sleeps on standing position. Yes. In this video, we will learn how to draw a puppy who is scared. With the help of 5 circles, we are drawing here a scary puppy, right? A puppy who is scared. And now you can color it with brown or dark brown color. Now we'll go for a cat who is smiling. Yes, so these are the face and whiskers of the cat, a tail obviously, and now this drawing is completed. Finally, we are drawing a grasshopper. A grasshopper is an insect which is usually found in grass. Yes, here it is done. Thank you for watching our video.